see.
Alright, welcome guys. I'm mainly making this video
It's
for
returning super
Euro,
fast
but
now though.
he's
We have it.
talking
We
right
have it.
now. Actually, let me mute him real quick. Alright, so we're gonna be trading alongside Euro and seeing like how we differentiate and look at markets. So right now I'm in a trade, but I'm gonna exit this because it was only a 2 contract trade, so it's pretty irrelevant. So yeah, let's see what type of trades he takes and what type of trades I'm looking at. We're actually looking at a similar trade right now. I would definitely go short right now.
Really not gonna fill me out.
I'll put my stop up here, and I'm looking to add to the trade.
I guess not. That's already retrained the other way, so...
Got some better price there, so I'm gonna add to my trade. Add my stop there.
Like, my setup becomes invalid by the second that it already tries to continue the trend and fails.
This move right here is giving me evidence that potentially is going to go to the downside, and we're making a lower high. That's why I like this move in particular to downside here.
That's, you know, trend.
Price isn't super volatile right now, so...
I like trends. Those can be traded. Well, now people are looking for the 36. Would the histogram help me? Let me see. It would not. Yeah, double bottom.
Bouncing off 30.
And when it does that, likely it's gonna go higher than what it would do. Which does line up with the idea that it's more popular for this to return to range rather than actually form a trend. There's a bunch of liquidity on 35. And interest too. It's around 36. Still valid or nah? Not like I get much time to decide anyways. Worst case scenario, we're selling the bottom of range. Even though it has just changed condition-ish. But in general, it's stalling out a lot. Which isn't really that nice of a sign.
Alright, there we go. Nice move. Gonna take one contract off there.
Just went down. 26 has reason to buy.
Risk-free trade now.
Nothing at 28.
Took another one off there. Has Zero taking a trade? No, he's still in a position.
That's annoying.
Now we just let this one go break even, or this turns into a decent winner.
Missing a whole ass trend again.
Got some volume here on the node, but if we get through that, we should see some nice move, at least back to 400s are likely going to be tested, so that's what I'm looking for right now. Nice, broke to that node. Got some acceleration there on the move to the downside. Nice to see. I'm just scalping now, so I'm going to take an exit there if we get it, since I'm only playing with super tiny size right now. Usually I wouldn't take profits there. I would have let this continue going as far as it could. But yeah.
Stalling out, so the idea of it coming back up isn't all that bad. Well, it's ranged here before, so there's a good chance it's gonna range here again. Well,
very true. Probably gonna range here, but I do expect this to test 400 again to grab that liquidity there. So that's why I got my target just right above. Or we could make it a little bit more risky and go all the way down to like 2 points above. But we should be testing 400
Overall,
again.
It's countered the uptrend by a little bit. Besides, we still have places to go. Like, that's not the issue. People wanting to sell up at 17. Sell up at 20. 20 looks okay. I could imagine price doing that, especially if we're going for the middle child of this.
It looks like he wants to enter a short trade there. Not bad, but ideal entry would have been closer up here in this range.
Well, resting orders at 20. More buying. There's more buying pressure than sales pressure right now by a good margin, though. Well, like 100 orders more on average. So I'm not sure.
Oh, he cancelled it. Okay.
Well, that's obviously bottom of prior range. Look at this one.
Come back up to 20s, I might add to the position.
The 18. Yeah, well, the market is anything but rational, so once again, all we can do is really
try. He added the order back on. Alright, breaking down, come back down under 10s. About 5 points away from my target now.
I'm not gonna do it like that. Might be pullback at 405 or general area above that, around that. This confluence at the 11. This thing doesn't agree with me though. Could be a nice bounce off of resistance though. Ish.
Nice bounce off resistance? What?
Once again, the worst thing that
support,
we can
you mean?
Lose money on the trade.
Alright, he put the sell order back on. Not sure why he's not selecting market over limit. I usually do that same thing where I go limit over market, but not sure why, what his reasoning for that is. Okay, about 2 points away now.
It's relatively
from hitting target.
And not if you retest the bottom. That's not an idea.
So just keep it at 400. We're gonna hit 400, so might as well.
ATR is stupid low right now. Still trying to
Is it? We're getting some decent movement. We just got a what? 30-point move. It's not bad. How long have I been recording for? 10 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 points. 10 minutes. Not bad. All right, there we go. Target hit. 400's liquidity taken there.
So I guess we could theoretically
go for the bounce trade here. Let me see if there's enough strength.
Obviously, I don't know. Well, it obviously didn't happen. I mean,
maybe like 5 points they'll give us.
Very barely though. Like less than a point or
something.
No. That we didn't get filled at. That's the danger of going for limit order entries, especially with a DOM. It's just like you risk not getting filled. I mean, there were plenty of others there that didn't get filled either with me. So. Let's look at this one. Slightly lower time frame.
Alright, they gave us the 4-point bounce off the key level there. Cool. Alright, I think I'm done for this session. Just wanted to do a quick session, trade alongside Euro. I didn't think we'd get such a nice move that quickly, so I was expecting to record for like 20-30 minutes, but that's cool. We got our trade done, and then we even got the bounce off the key level there. I don't think Euro took a single trade during that time. He put his order out there a couple times, but didn't execute, which is fine.
It's just decent like consistency up
okay, looks like they gave a little bit more points than we
comes down to 97
captured there, but that's fine. We only got one contract. Should have got multiple, so we could have scaled out, but it's okay.
Really
Alright, part 2 of training with Euro. Started consolidating here. Makes me think we're gonna push all the way back up to fresh highs. He kind of explained this, how the fact bears are struggling to push us further down here indicates we could potentially reverse, and we have a clear target here for fresh highs, which is about 60 points. And we can risk about 20 points here to make those 60 points. So that's the trade I'm going for now.
I don't want to be the guy
and I'll potentially add to the trade as we get either more confident in the trade or we get a better price.
Like, what's the worst case scenario? Why we lose like?
So I'll either add somewhere here, or as we start, the trade starts working in our favor, I'll add to the trade. But for now, we just wait a little bit and see how this develops a little bit more. Let's see if Euro ends up getting a position in here.
Still higher. Like there's no, you know.
I'm a little bit behind.
There's a buying.
So he should have been. He should have got in on this drop here. Once he jumps in, I'll fast forward it. I think he should be triggered in. We're basically in. The numbers are tiny on my screen, so I can't see what his average would be, but I think we have a similar entry.
Now the question is, are you gonna turn around now? Okay, the worst case, it comes down to the 84 again. Best case, it's...
Alright, let's fast forward now.
Wants to go up. Took forever. Stalled out. Gave us a pixel perfect entry. Just as always, because I'm the best.
I'm gonna go ahead and add to the trade.
Sorry. Okay, yeah, and at this point, it's just... Okay. Take me out of break even if you really want to stall out there. I'm gonna take the chance on this just being a breakout. I'm taking this chance. Even in the worst case scenario, it should still stay above this, because it's consistently gave us higher highs. So once again, I'm gonna diamond hand this one. I've got the diamond hands.
Alright, took 400 liquidity there.
What more bullish signs do you want? That's the quiz show right here. We have to add to the win now.
Let's see if Bear's able to hold this below or not.
Add to the winning trade. Okay, beautiful. Thank fuck for that. Now we just need to clear this high, and then we actually good for a full run to the top.
Let's go. It feels good that we're both actually in this trade now together.
I might not actually add to this at all. 1-to-1. 1-to-1 adding is risky inherently on its own. That's the problem I'm having. Okay. A problem I'm having, if it's gonna get stuck here, I think it's gonna fall further. So this might make me want to lock in a little profit.
No, I thought you were just saying diamond hands, brother. What happened?
If it fails, we take at least some money with us home.
It's okay. I like how we're holding above 400. I'm gonna add to the trade here. Take first off right above 110.
Okay, now I can lock in a profit. There you go.
Hey, let's go Euro.
I was worried
locking in some profit. That's what's up.
Nothing. But here we go. We have actually made a good decision today, and now we're clear of this. Like we're clear of this high. So like there's nothing really stopping us from running to the top. I'm betting on that. I'm actually betting on that. And since it's been so rangy, I might actually just set up a profit target.
Hey, how many stop losses do we got here?
I might do that.
3. Let me add one more.
It kind of depends how fast this works now.
There we go.
It's okay fast, but it's not fast. Plus, there's already a bunch of pressure on it again. But
hey, okay, Euro. Believe, my boy. You're in a good trade, my brother.
I'm confident at the moment, unless it bloody picks up some speed like it does now. That's actually good.
Some bloody speed that
I wouldn't want it to come down
European
here,
accent.
I would take profit, I think. I would take the winner.
Alright, 2 locked in there.
Because that's below the open of the candle. Like, this is the worst point it should return to. It should always stay above the open from now on.
Alright, now risk-free trade. Yeah, Euro's correct.
And if it's gonna stall out up here, then I would also be very inclined to just take the damn profit.
I'll take one more off.
Well, in the worst case scenario, we end on a break-even day, or even a, you know, what do you call these, small winner? Small win day. I don't really know those. I don't really know those at all. Ah, there's the counter pressure. I don't like it. I don't like it. Once again, worst case scenario, we take a small win home. 12 points. Obviously, me emotionally, I wanna just take the winner here, but I already know, like, my strategy means I'm gonna sit these things out.
Yes, sir, Euro. Good discipline.
Like, we have such a good entry. Like, why should we not play this one to our...
Exactly.
There's obviously a bunch of interest here, and... Oh yeah, we're back here. That's why. Okay, I see now. Still gonna hold this trade, though. Still gonna hold it. Don't have an exit signal just yet. Once again, like, it needs to stay above the open. The open of the 30-minute candle is here. Our stop loss just below that. So if it would reverse the rally, it would become a red candle. Which I think is relatively unlikely in comparison to everything else. Like, it's trying to make its way back. There's more green resting orders compared to the red resting orders. So yes, it could eventually come down a little bit, but well, pullbacks are always inevitable. I mean, it did them here too. The point is just it really should not come further than this. Maybe I'm stupid though. Maybe I'm just
no, you're not. You're not. You're good, bro.
In any case, there's no way today can end on a red. On red. That's what I mean.
That's what we like to see, Euro.
Alright, now it's an interesting point. Is it gonna double top, or is it gonna... if it's gonna double top, I might take profit here. It's retrying the other direction.
No, Euro, don't take profit.
I might TP if it's gonna double top.
It's diamond hands all the way.
Might, though. Because I'm still thinking,
We'll see, though. If it heavy
these little
rejects top 20,
signals
I
on a
would
day
probably
like
take
this
profits too.
don't really matter too
think
much.
he's only
Like, it's
holding
done
one
it here
contract,
too.
right?
Like, it's done it before on the downtrend too. So I might think it... Okay, I'm thinking it might do it on here too. And ultimately continue the rally in the long run. Once again, we have... I don't know, I'm so panicky about this. Like, we have a profit locked in.
Just breathe, Euro.
It can do is turn our winner into a smaller winner or into a bigger winner. We have a winner on the board. That's just my point.
Yeah, it's kind of struggling here in the 15s.
Fucking panicky for no reason. Would at least like another 30-minute candle, like brother.
Yeah, probably gonna get stopped here. Probably.
Yeah, if it comes down to my stop
We'll
loss,
see.
then I think it's gonna continue.
If we hold this and reverse back up to like 16s, I might add and get really tight on the stop loss. All right, perfect.
But I'm not gonna fearfully just take my profit because I'm scared of losing. That's not what I'm gonna do. There's the attempt of coming
And
back.
then
Let's see.
take one off 20s.
More selling resting orders up here though. Oh, I don't like it.
You're good.
Hey,
You're
I mean, the
good,
moment
buddy.
it starts agreeing with me, I don't like it anymore. How's that for psychology? No.
Alright, take
I
another
sat
one
through
off
this
there.
pullback without taking profit, so I'll definitely sit through this without taking profit.
Yes, sir.
And actually, in fact, now that it's continuing, I can actually trail it further behind. So
Exactly. I'm so proud of you, Euro.
It just gotta go now. You gotta go, man. Hey, at least I catch myself in the act while I'm doing these psychology sins and correct them afterwards, so... Yes.
Oh, that got so
I'm
close.
just hoping for another run.
Don't
to
do me
the
like
top,
that.
Really. That's all I'm hoping for.
Oh,
I'll actually
no.
set up a profit. You know, I don't do that. I usually don't do that. But I'm gonna do it here. Because I think once we come up here, it's gonna start being indecisive again. More than it already has been. Because today is just one of these days, I guess. So I want to set up a profit target. So the trade can either gain 30 extra points or lose a little bit.
Wow, I really got that
Ultimately,
close
we
and
should
it's
stay
gonna...
higher.
I think we could hold here, though. Yeah, we got some pretty nice previous resistance here.
You are giving me signs, that's for sure. Higher high, followed up by higher low maybe. Still looking strong. Relatively strong. That is anyways. If it's gonna consolidate here, I'm gonna get taken out at the worst.
Alright, adding
possible
2 more
point.
there.
See what the DOM says. Okay, now we need to look out for if it's gonna double top here or not. Because now there's weakness building over the long run.
Alright, breaking down under 15.
Like, I was accepting it here. That's annoying. That's annoying. You just gotta stay higher, man. 23, maybe.
I like how they're defending here.
Come to the 23 one more time.
Gonna get a little bit tighter here on my stop loss, though.
I mean, all these red candles are getting squished out pretty nicely, though, which is giving me hope again. And now my stop loss is perfectly at a pool of resting. Oh, that's always the same shit, I swear. It's the hedge funds, man. The hedge funds. They're hunting me.
Funds.
It's the big institutions. They don't want me to win.
Alright, nice. We're back above 20s.
Okay, here we go. Now it needs to work. Now it needs to work, else I'm gonna just TP here. Gonna work or not? Gonna work or not? Are you going to work or not?
It's okay, Euro, calm down. Deep breaths.
Come on. Just looking for an exit here. You gotta defeat the double top or I'm out, man. That's the two options here. That's what I'm saying here. If you come down to my stop loss again, you're gonna be ranging.
Oh, he tightened up the
I don't
stop
wanna hold
loss,
through range.
right? Yeah.
So either defeating that shit now, or we're out of the winner. We're out of the trade. And it is stalling out at the double top. That's awesome. Still a bias upwards, I guess. Yeah, honestly, fuck it. Get me out.
Oh no, Euro, you're gonna abandon me?
There you go.
Oh, he left me.
Here's our winner.
Good trade, Euro.
30 points.
Be proud of that shit, bro.
Yeah, I don't care if you continue now or do whatever. I really do not. 18, 28.
Wow, it's kind of annoying, bro. Come on.
Gained a net positive of... Yeah, I've continued to look like a retard now, but I had an exit signal, and I didn't want to give away too much of my profit. Trying to...
30 points, good, solid trade.
You know, yeah, like it's consolidating now. It's clearly stalling out here. So, holding it through that is... Oh, hey, thank you, Tradeovate. Holding it through this is just... It's just gambling, really. You don't know which side's gonna win. The previous trend gets invalidated the long it consolidates. Sure, we didn't get the best fill for the exit, but
as long as price doesn't do much, I just stay in the trade.
I didn't want to give away like
there's not much
5 extra points, so I gave away only 3 points instead. I guess that makes sense.
There we go, finally.
But hey, here's a winner.
There we go. Looks like we're gonna push to 30s. Let's see how we react once we get there.
Oh, now obviously it's gonna continue now. Oh, hold on. I need to take this off. I completely forgot. That'd be funny if I just kept it there.
It's messing around with me, bro. It doesn't want to hit this 2750. For doing that, you need to give me some extra points now.
Talk about looking
for
like
that extra stress.
Nah. In general, it's just building up weakness. That's the reason why I opted out for an exit. If it broke down here and we took the small win, I would have been equally dissatisfied as with it rallying from here on onwards. So all I could really do is just, you know, protect my capital, protect my money.
Alright, instant rejection there, don't like that. Taking one more off, holding the last two.
Exiting at a relatively suboptimal spot. Oh yeah, journal the win, right. How many points is that? That's 35. No, 36 and a half actually.
Nice. Alright, back above 30s.
Okay, let's archive it. Our max amount of risk on this trade was...
Look, you just want to exit this trade. I'm only holding 2 contracts, but
yeah, okay.
gotta let it play out.
Whatever, man.
It's okay, Euro. Be proud of that
Without
trade.
the
It's still a
hindsight,
solid trade.
it's an exit signal, okay? And getting in now is stupid because we're obviously coming up to the range. And yeah. I'm still gonna archive this part of it. We gave away effectively 10 points. Wasted profit is 10 points. We risked on this trade 2 points. Let's close it to 3. Avoided all of it. Potential profit.
Alright, I might end this session here because I don't want to take up too much space on my computer for these recordings. Low-key, I was already having to make space earlier because I'm running out of space, so I have to go ahead and buy some more. Okay, looks like I might wait till we hit this profit target. Price starts speeding up here, but you guys know the drill. We either get stopped out for here or we take these 2 exits.
Sorry for that. And effectively, we only wasted 4 points.
And Euro's out of the trade already, so not much point in continuing to record. But yeah, good shit, Euro. Proud of you.
Okay.
Nice trade. We basically took a very identical trade. We just executed a little bit differently because I was scaling in, scaling out. But very similar. We traded that. I'm glad to see you catch that move and ended the green. So good shit, bro. But catch you guys later.